Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhanara Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhanara Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhanara Jagannath Loke Rajivana महाप्रभु कर दया देह मोरे पद छाया गुरुदेव कर दया देह मोरे पद छाया महाप्रभु पाद कर दया देह मोरे पद छाया धाम लैल चरण আমার গুরুদেব পতিত পাবন জয় গুরুদেব শিলা গুরুদেব জয় গুরুদেব জয় শিলা গুরুদেব জয় গুরুদেব জয় শিলা গুরুদেব जय गुरुदेव जय शिला गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव जय शिला गुरुदेव श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु जीवे दया करी चैतन्य प्रभु जीवे दया पार्श्वदशीय धाम सह अवतारी अत्यंत दुर्लभ कृम करे वरदान शिखाय शरणागति भक्तेर प्राण शिखाय धन्य आत्मनिवेदन वक्तृत्व वरण अवश्य राखी रे कृष्ण विश्वास पालन भक्ति अनुकूल मात्र कार्य रे स्वीकार भक्ति प्रतिकूल भाव वर्जनांगीकार षडंग शरणागति हई रे जहार ताहार कथन सुने श्रीनंद कुमार रूप सनातन पदे दंते तृण करी मकति विनोद पड़े दोह पद धरी কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া বলে আমি তো ধম আমি তো ধম শিখায় শরণাগতি কর হে উত্তম শিখায় শরণাগতি পার্শ্ব জয় জয় গৌর হরি পার্শ্ব জয় জয় গৌর হরি হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। आजानुलम्बितभुजौ कनकावदातौ संकीर्तनीकपितरौ कमलायताक्षौ विश्वम्भरौ द्विजभरौ युगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणावतारौ नमो त्रिकालसत्याय जगन्नाथसुताय च सपुत्राय सभृत्याय सकलत्राय ते नमः। नवजलधरविद्यौ द्योतवर्णौ प्रसन्नौ वदननयनपद्मौ चारुचन्द्रावतंसौ अलकातिलकभालौ केशवेशप्रफुल्लौ भज भजतु मनोहरिराधिका कृष्णचन्द्रौ। वारं महाबुद्धिस्थिरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे वसन्प्रसादान्तः सहजबलभद्रेण बलिना सुभद्रा मध्यस्थसकलशूरसेवावसरतु जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। संसारसिन्धुमतिदुस्तरतीतितीर्षां नैनां प्लवं भगवतः पुरुषोत्तमस्य लीलाकथारसंसेवनमन्तरेण विविधदुःखदवार्दितस्य भवे भवे तथा भक्तिपादयोः तव जायते तथा कुरुष्व देवेश नाथस्थं नो जतः प्रभो। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
The first of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnu Pada Stotra Satasila Sri Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Guru Maharaj, all our Sikha Gurus, Nitya Leela Pravakti Vandanardan Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Leela Pravakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, and all other Guru Vargas. By their mercy, we will be able to enter this divine pastimes of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In this month of Purushottam, we continue our this Harikatha festival. Yesterday, we were in Gokula Mahavan and where Uddhav and all Vrindavan's inhabitants, also Yogamaya, Purnamasi present, and Krishna also backside, he is observing, not in front, Balaram Krishna. This Uddhava Sandesh, Krishna sent him, according to the Srimad Bhagavatam, has written there that Uddhava, with all Vrindavan's inhabitants, he went to see all Krishna's pastimes. Because after hearing their sweet love to Krishna, he completely merged with their prem. And as Uddhava was qualified, he respected them, glorified them, and praised them. Also, he appreciated the Krishna's, the influencing, the devotion, love, which he has no before experience, and never he heard this. So this Vrindavana Saraganuga, this bhakti, now he participated and he started to practice in his body and mind and with his words. Now we are also joining with him, because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he went to Vrindavan. He also did parikrama, see all Krishna's pastimes, all memorial, this Leela places there. This separation mood, when he was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Puri, he enjoyed 12 years with his internal associates, these only 3-4. Here is simultaneously separation, also union. So this both rasas together. Now in this pastimes, conjugal mood, parental mood, maternal mood, friends mood, servitude mood, passive mood, with all rasas, with the separation and union all together. So this is different taste. So actually very difficult to describe, explain even one day of pastime, difficult to explain this. Even Sukadeva Goswami himself, he told this. Lord Brahma also told this. All they told this. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told this. But if we get one drop, little taste to his katha, our life become success. This is our most endeavor and greediness. Sadhu Sange Hari Katha. Our greediness is for Sadhu Sange Hari Katha. This is the greediness. By this greediness, we can receive this bhakti which comes from the association with all Udhavas and Srimad Bhagavatam. So yesterday we were discussing about how mother tied out to Krishna. And Krishna also show his power. He is Ananta. He is endless, so no limit. How a mother can tie with one rope? Rope is limit, but is immeasurable. But this is not only external, this is law of affairs, transcendental law of affairs. So love is unlimited, is no measure. By maternal love, also mother is also tied up. Then Sukadeva Goswami, others they glorified. This is a very beautiful pastime, and gopis started to teaching, joking to Krishna. They gave the name Damodar. Dama Jasya Udar means who was tied by rope to his belly. Then they told the, you are nutty, you are punished by your mother, you are Damodar. This is the names comes by his Leela. In Kartika month, we worship Damodar Leela, the Radha Damodar. This is also this Leela in Padma Puran, Satyavrata Muni, who was worshipping to Krishna, and in the fish incarnation, Matsya avatar, he blessed to him, he became like a fish. These different pastimes, incarnations. Then later on, he saw this pastime of this Damodara Leela to Satyavrata Muni. When he is meditating this Leela, he saw how Krishna is with fear running and mother is following to him to catch him with a stick. All in our Damodara Ashtak, we every day we chant this in month of Kartik. Every day we chant. This is a beautiful pastime. Before, Krishna was running hither and thither. Gopis, they cannot catch him. Before they, when he was lying his baby, they catch, and Krishna also sucking, drinking milk for all gopis. Because who catch him started to drink their milk. He drank all cows' milk. Eh? Hundreds thousands of cows. When Brahma took all boys, he became calf. And those cows, they give milk to this boy, this calf. They have a more small calf also, but they don't give them. They kick them. They give to Krishna. Same gopis also, who are maternal affection, if they have no milk in a breast by Krishna's, to love and touch them, also they comes this milk. So they have more observed by Krishna's, this Leela. In a Damodara Leela, after there are many pastimes there. Here, Srila Sukadeva Goswami, some pastimes interesting, he narrated to Parikshita Maharaj. In 11th chapter, 10th canto, Gopis in Damodara Leela, when Krishna was tied up, and gopis come and with their full of love, with full speed, they kiss Krishna's face. Krishna's face becomes red. With their full love. Just I'm right with them. Very tightly there. Krishna cannot go out anywhere there. Before he was running. Now he was tied up. In Damodara Astaka is written, Idante mukham bhojam abhyakta nilai brutam kuntali snigdha raktischa gopya muhuschumbitam bimbaraktra me. This muhuchumbidang bimbarakta dharame manasya virastam alanglakhyalavi. Muhuchumbitam, not one time they wanted to kiss and kiss, so other gopis they push them. They did this beautiful Leela in the Damodara Leela there. In the Damodara Astak, as written there. After this Damodara Leela, these two brothers, the son of Kuber, they appeared, they went away. Then Parikshita Maharaj asked about them, who are they, why they became trees. This is our also one thing to learn. If someone do some sinful activities, according to the karma, he also get another body, maybe man, woman, or trees, animals, birds, or demigods. Any they can, by the moods of the nature, three natures, either sattva guna, goodness nature, they can be heavenly, there is celestial body, or in rajoguna, they can be like human, or like the demons, others also there, and the tamaguna, they becomes animals and others. So this is the organization of the Maya, three gunas. Three gunas are all are Maya, but there is some gradation there, degree there. Oh, they are devatas, they are very nice, beautiful, this very, like here in our, this planet, in human, we have many differences. Oh, they have very nice house, and they are very fortunate, they have more comfortable, they are lucky, they do, you say this. They are all are here suffering by birth and death and everything, old age. But nobody saw this. Only they saw external things, just like one bound by golden chain, another is bound by iron chain. They don't think they are already in prison. They are already in the bound. But they say, oh, he is very good, lucky because he was bound by golden chain. Oh, I can be bound by golden chain. I am a misfortune. I don't have this. This is the consciousness covered by this material energy. We don't go to see the cause, the root cause, why we will here suffer over here in prison. In prison, there are also there some gradation there. So they among themselves who are in prison, they are thinking, oh, you have good facility there. I don't have a good facility here. We are suffering here. All are there in prison. They don't understand. They have this competitive nature. This is the intelligence keeping them like that. So here, some story there. We have to know also how karma is coming, how they got this tree body. Shortly we discuss because Parikita Maharaj asked there. Rukadeva Goswami narrated once Narada Muni was traveling to Kailas to meet with Mahadev, Shiva. And the way when he was going, he saw in Ganga, where Himalaya is coming, Ganga there, in Alakananda there, these two brothers of Kuber. Kuber is the Dhanadhipati. He is the cashier of these three planets. All money with him. Treasury of these three planets. So they are sons, so they have much money what they want to use. So they are more proud and more they are this material enjoying this sense gratification. What is in this sense gratification in this world? Either drink alcohol, drugs, or sex life with women and traffic. This is they have. Otherwise, go to gambling. This is Narada told. This money have three aspects. Dyuta Panam Stri. Either gambling, or intoxication, or this meeting. So they are same. When Narada was passing there, this Gandharvis themselves there, they saw because they together, their group, company, they are enjoying open body. So they are already intoxicated. They have no sense. There, when they saw the girls there, they become shy and hide after see the Narada. But these two brothers, they did not take care. And they don't recognize to Narada also. Because they are over the drugs. Baruning pitwa, drinking this baruni, this alcohol, wine. Then they also misbehave to Narada because this Ganga water coming from this Supreme Lord's feet, Lord Shiva himself he carrying in his head. Many people they are worshipping there, and these people they are going inside to enjoying this or contaminate all this. So Narada deeply he feel pain and disturbed by this, and they are living in heavenly planet in goodness nature. If they do like this, and what to do about others? And they could not recognize in front. Narada was standing with them. They intoxicated, saying, "Who are you? Why you came here? Why don't you go to outside there?" This is out of this. And they disturbed everything. They are already intoxicated by this Varuni. But Narada was intoxicated with this Harinam Rasa, spiritual rasa. He is always drinking, like devotees going to preach sometimes to meet others, hippie people, all peoples there. So Narada then thought, how I can cure them, treat them. Then he understood, because of their money, he praised to poor people, he told. And how much the mistakes in the money, who has more money, how they easily influenced by this money, wealth, and they do all these mischiefs. Then he told, better the poor people, by the scarcity, they cannot go to such sense gratification, though they don't do any other such sinful activities. Also, they become humble. They also do service to sadhus, and they have some faith to the Supreme Lord. They come to a religious path. Or these wealthy people, because of their proud and arrogant, they are enjoying mood, they never come this. So he gave this some verses. Then he told what I can do for them. He thought. He told better they can, because they are they are now out of senses. They have no any sense to feelings. So better they become tree body. So what they will do? They cannot do anything, but they tolerate. Cold, hot, everyone comes, they cut, they can do anything. He cannot do, but he tolerates. When he tolerates, then he understands what is the value of life. Immediately he told, you become trees, Arjuna trees, because these trees live long, thousands years, most long time. Immediate, they feel their consciousness covered by this ignorance, and they fell down. They understood their mistake, but Narada already told that come out their words. This is never again change. They pray. Narada told, you go and stay in Gokul, Mahavan. There, in Dwapar, Krishna will appear there. He will do all his pastimes, When he blessed you, touch his body, Sachidanandamaya body, when your this tamasic, this ignorance body will dissipate and you will again get yours this celestial body. That was they were twin, the two branches, same root. They were there thousands of years before was there, big tree, very big. And there and here, all their house also there, near Nanda Maharaja's house, just outside this tree was there. Under the tree, all are playing, cows, all they were playing. And Krishna, what Krishna's pastimes they also saw everything, how demons coming, how Putana came, they saw. Narada told them, you will have memory by my blessings. You never lose your memories. You see, trees also have memories. There are many examples there. In Vrindavan, there was one history there. There was one this people tree there. When we are going to Parikrama, that tree, and one rich man, he bought that land. Then he decided to cut the tree. And at night time, one yogi appeared there. And he told to one big Mahanta there. He appeared, he told, I am performing tapasya here. Tell to this man to not cut me. I have to wait for my perfection. Then next day, the Mahanta, he called to the rich man. He told this, so you don't cut this. Now the boundary, they kept this tree also there. So this is many examples also there. Now Krishna, to fulfill Narada's words, he entered there and they came out. Srila Jiva Goswami has written Gopala Champu, beautiful Krishna's pastimes there, all detailed. He has written there. And one became Madhukantha, another became Snigdhakantha. Madhukantha and Snigdhakantha. Madhukantha means sweet voice, another is soft voice. These two brothers, you can connect there, Prabhu. That flag is better there. In the room, inside room. There, they went to Goloka Vrindavan and they describe Krishna's pastimes. All these pastimes, what they saw in Gokul, they described there. Gopala Champ, Jiva Goswami has written this. These two brothers, when they appeared from trees, then they saw to Krishna and they pray, oh, Supreme Lord, how you are merciful, how you are lovely. You are doing so sweet pastimes here. If you are already bound by mothers, why you have blessed to open us, to free us, which we were bound in this tree. They offer them, glorify them. Then Krishna told, what you want? Any boon? He told, Vani Gunanu Kathani Kathanam Katha Rasanam Kathaya Vani Gunanu Kathani Sravanam Kathaya. In this mouth we have done many sinful activities. Now in this mouth we can glorify your beautiful pastimes. Vani Gunanu Kathani Sravanam Kathaya. And your beautiful pastimes we can hear by these ears. We hear many sinful katha from material world. And Karaucha, by these hands we can serve you. And with mind we can remember you. We don't want anything. We don't want liberation. We don't want any perfection. We don't want anything else. So then Krishna offered them. So they became Madhukantha and Snigdhakantha. Their name Vibhushan mentioned. Then they all in Golok they described Krishna's this pastime beginning. There this pastime is not there. In Vaikuntha, Golok this pastime is not there. This is here. So here is more glorious, charming is here, which is not there. Therefore, Krishna offered them, and in Damodara Astaka, Satyavrata Muni also mentioned this. Kuberatmajo bandhamurte vajadavat toya muchito pre bhakti bhaju krutaucha tatha prema bhakti adami panasa tatha prema bhakti. How you offer this prema bhakti to Kubera's sons. You liberate them, free them, and you offer you prem tatha prema bhakti sakame prajatsha namokhe grahame sti damodare. O Damodara, I have no such desire to get liberation. Satyavrata Muni offering one verse in the 8:1 is also there. I want same prema bhakti, how you offer them without any other desires, only serve with our mind, body, and words to you. So many teachings there. So they, by according karma, they become tree, body, and how the influence of the money, how they becomes materialistic, covered by the consciousness and by influence of tamasic and rajasic, these moods, all in this chapter he explained. Then after this Damodara Leela, Nanda Maharaj came, we discussed how Mother Yashoda met, again they started. Then Krishna started to move to other house with his group sometime, and sometimes he go to others house, sometimes sitting your Mother Yashoda and gopis. Then they tell Krishna, "Oi Krishna, you know how to dance?" He said, "Yes." He does not speak, but he also looks like with the eyes, he is smiling. Then, if you dance, I will give you sweet. Some peda they keep this. If you dance, we will sit. So Krishna started to dancing. So they became very happy all, and they offer sweet bowls, some peda and laddu and something. So Krishna enjoying with dancing. Sometimes he alone he will go, and their house he go there and stand there. Krishna, what do you want? He does not speak anything. He wants give them love, to enjoying them. As written there, Gopinang Janayed Mudam, how to please them, give them more happiness, love. Then they come, then they told Krishna, they sit sometimes, you bring to test him, to bring the wooden plank, huh? Something that you go to bring, then Krishna started to go, Megares to go to bring there. Sometime maybe can take, sometime cannot carry with his, keeping his belly and coming there, looking there, sometimes touching his bed, I am strong. Huh? Then he bring this, then they go, oh, you become very strong now, you become hero. He is omnipotent. Huh? But here he is like a doll, wooden doll. So gopis play like Daru Jantravat is told. Like a Daru Jantra means wooden doll. So sometimes he go there and he cannot bring, he show this, just starts there and stay there. There everyone they love, they become all mother and gopis, they become very happy to dig this. So many such pastimes is done. Once is written in Bhagavatam. Nanda Maharaj and Mother Yashoda, Rohini, together, Rohini was catching to Balaram's hand and Mother was catching to Krishna's hand. They little they are walking. Then they walk. Nanda Maharaj to go to Gostal to take care of the cows, where to see, supervise. He came out, little come out from their house, then Nanda Maharaj with their love and affection, he forgot to take the wooden shoes, katho. So then he told, oh, I forgot to bring my shoes, wooden shoes. Then Rohini mother Rohini told to Balaram, Balaram, go, you bring the father's these shoes. Then Krishna told, no, I will bring. And he started to run there. And Balaram told there. Then Krishna Balaram there fight, I will take it, I will take it. Then because Balaram was a little strong, no? But he is younger brother. He wanted to serve to Krishna. Simultaneously, they know everything. This is to understand the Supreme Lord. He is omniscient. He is omnipresent, omnipotent. Same time, he does not know anything. He is ignorant. He is like ordinary. This is very difficult to understand for even Brahma, even Shiva and Narada and others. What about human? Simultaneously, he has this opposite character. Therefore, they don't understand who is Supreme Lord. Many religion and philosophers, they have given about knowledge about the God, Creator. They have written he is Brahman and he is Paramatma, he is conscious, he is spiritual, he is blue like light, he is blissful, and some say he is very old, like grandfather, big white hairs taking there, and they are he is the Supreme Lord. They gave many, and then some say God is good, no bad. But this is not actually complete vision of their knowledge. In Bhagavatam, everything complete. He is good, he is bad, he is no good, he is no bad. He is beyond that. And he created everything, everywhere he is present. But for the love, for the devotees, he also like a door. This is very given this. Though gopis they together, then they also sometimes some gopis not they also teach to Krishna how to dance. So you put here and you dance, move this. Here in our in Bharati, like what is Bharatanatyam, Odissi Natyam, many dance there, no? Krishna is master, he will show his dance in the Rasa dance. But now in mothers, in old, they are girls there. There is then there other Shakis will come, that is another pastimes come. But here in Gopis also some are there and more old Jatila, Kutila, all others also they have some role. They also show to Krishna to how to dance. Krishna also dance. Then they give some their prasadam love. They took. Then he started to also with his group, company with all friends to steal different way. His big thief Rupa Goswami told this, Chauragraganya Purushanga Namami. I offer my obeisance to the leader of thieves, Chaura Shabda. Braje Prasidam Nabanita Choram Gopangananang Chadukula Choram Aneka Janmarjita Papa Choram Chauragraganyam Purushang Namami. He told, I am offering my obeisance. Who is famous to steal butter? If even a gopis, maybe some they lose their butter something, they say, okay, Krishna has theft this. He became famous with all his group, leader, how to steal. He teach the skill and do this. Gopaganananta Dukulacharam, also gopis, when they grow up little girls, they started to buy their Yogamaya Purnamasis instruction. They started to perform this Katyayani Brata, worshipping to Katyayani, the Yogamaya, Durga. Everyone wanted to eat. Krishna is our husband. It's girls, they have more thinking in, maybe in India, because they are worshipping, I can get a good husband. In the West, maybe they have no fixed. Here, once married, they finish their life. So always they have more desire to, we have. So there, because they are before worshipping, performed austerity, many lives, so they have come to again to serve Krishna in Lord Ramachandra's incarnations also. So they worship to Krishna, to Katyayani. Krishna become our husband. There is one chapter there is written in Bhagavatam there. So Krishna blessed them, but how he blessed them? It is naughty, no? It's very sweet to make the pastimes. They were going to Yamuna and take a bath early morning in this November, no? Kartika, they hold, but they go and take bath and come. There's small girls. Then they go to doing worshipping, incense, flower, some lamp they took, some fruits they offered to, and they say, Katyayani Mahamaye Mahajogini Adhishwari Nanda Gopasutang Devi Kurute Brahma. They chant this mantra. Katyayani has the Yoga Maya Purnamasi taught them. They do this. So Krishna want to bless them. So what he did, they put their cloth in the outside. The Krishna took all the cloths there and climbed in the tree. This is the made them because now they come to the conjugal love. He is outside and inside. He is super soul. In this material, our condition, our body system is different. Some senses there, some body is there, so they have more attraction for particular senses. But Krishna is not like that. He has written in this letter, he is like air, fire, water, and ether, the sound, touch, inside and outside. So what is there? We have to go to understand Krishna's pastimes with tattva, with reality. Then we understand him and his pastimes. We should not bring with our this concept of the material condition, with our bodily concept, sensual, mental, then we cannot understand Krishna. We have to go to perfectly to understand. Then also we enjoy Krishna's all pastimes, conjugal pastimes, all this. There is nothing there, but looks like same like material and physical. So here Rupa Goswami told, you steal their clothes also. Aneka janmarjita papa choram. Aneka janmarjita papa choram. You enter their inside, and from many, many births, how much they have done sinful activities, everything they have acquired. You also took this all still. So, aneka janmarjita papa choram. You are thief to take all the papas. For example, some thief enter to one house. They say they are sleeping in their bedroom. So the thief enter there. They open. Then what they did, their night time, what they have some garbage there. So he clean all garbage, sweep, put and take care. That thief. Maybe number one fool, maybe. No thief will take this garbage. But Krishna is take all this garbage. So enter there, take all papas. How much he speak lie, how much the all things. But if you come to his group, he join his company, devotee, he became devotee. When he chant his name, he took all his garbage and clean his house. Morning he will, somebody woke up, oh, he saw everything, door is open. He saw maybe some thief came. Then he searched, oh, everything clean and took all garbage. So what he will do? Every day that thief should come. So Rupa Goswami told, Aneka janva ajita choram. Such a thief come always and take our sinful activity. Very beautiful, this Chauragra Ganya Purusham, this Astaka there. Madhura Astaka also one, sweet Astaka there. Who knows this meaning and who knows this Leela pastimes, by chanting these verses and songs, they can floated in his pastimes with ecstasy. Therefore, they have written all this. So here, Krishna's this Balya Leela, childhood, is pastimes, many they are, only some we discussed there. Then they decided to go from Gokula Vrindavan to Gokula Mahavan to Vrindavan. By this Krishna's desire, by Purnamasis organization, which Krishna now grew up, so now he will do different pastimes. not with like childhood life with mothers. Now he wants to go enjoy with the friends and with also Sakhis, all friends. So they need such place. So organized this Vrindavan. Vrindavan where Govardhana is there and Yamuna, gardens, flowers, fruits, all everything is organized Vrindavan there. Vrindavan is forest. So there, but made such a way, this Leela, Nanda Maharaj's one older brother, elder brother, his name was Upananda. He was very learned and very truthful, always speak with logic. Everyone respect, they hear to him. So one day they called the meeting there. In that meeting, they told, I think, Upananda told, this place is not good for children. You see, Krishna's from birth, how many these difficulties come. This Putana came here, this Trunambarta came, this whirlwind came, this cart, hand cart, also fell down. Krishna was under the cart, beneath the cart. And the last moment, this tree also thousands years before, a very big tree, without reason, it fell down. This place is not good for our children. For Krishna Balaram by affection, they decided to move from this forest, a place, Gokul Mahavan. They one decided to go to Vrindavan. Everyone agree. You see, for Krishna, they wanted to give up their house, their old establishment. They wanted to shift other place. Now, Krishna's behind his desire to play other pastimes. Now, everyone with their cart, they load everything and they decided went to Vrindavan. Now, very beautiful there. Everything for the playing. All Krishna also happy, Ram also happy. Now others they come. So this Leela, Uddhava was hearing there. He hearing from the cowherd friends there, Sudama, Subal, others, they told how Krishna pulled this, and maternal gopis who are there, they told, I was giving to his sweet bowl. I tell you dance, he was dancing. You are saying Uddhava. He has no friend. He has no any enemy. He has no father, no mother, no love. How you can say this? We are the example. We are here. Just Uddhava is drinking the nectar of the pastimes. How Krishna can do this? He is omniscient, omnipresent, omniscient. How he was tied with this? So that day, when Nanda Maharaj sent to bring the shoes, then Krishna and Balaram both they fighting to bring. And then Rohini mother and Jasa told, Balaram, you give to Krishna, he will bring. So Krishna stand up there, took two, put in head, and coming with like very painful is coming with this. So Sukadeva Goswami qualified how the Bhrutyavasyatam, how he is become controlled by the Bhrutyas, by devotees. Tama, the Supreme Lord, just carrying this shoes and with his full love coming this, he glorified this. This is this childhood beautiful sweet pastimes in Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukadeva Goswami has written there. Then they decided to go to Vrindavan. Uddhava was hearing all these pastimes. Same time when they glorify all this, now they think Now, without his presence, we are just like a death. We have no life, we have no any activities, our mind is not wanted to do anything, our hands are not moving, our legs are not moving, and for whom what we do? When we see him, his lotus-eyed face, we forget everything. Our soul was dancing. So all that day describe all. Simultaneously they are happy, they enjoying the pastime. Same time in separation mood, again they bring the tears and they becomes dry. It's like this prem katha is one time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Tapta Ikshu Charbana. It is like hot sugar cane. Sugar cane is someone chewing to take the juice sweet, but same time it is hot. So when you put in the mouth, it's burning. So both are, this Krishna prema is like that. Simultaneously like pain like poison, Kalakuta, Nabakalakutam, Rupa Goswami told, this Kalakuta poison, and the same time the nectar of all. So this separation mood and union, this Leela Katha, together there, we will go to tomorrow Vrindavan with all, then there will be other pastimes regarding the Bhagavatam, we will discuss. Pancha kalpataru patitanang pavanebho vaishnavebho. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan. Sri Govinda Gopinath Madana Mohan. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan. Sri Govinda Gopinath Madana Mohan. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan. Sri Govinda Gopinath Madana Mohan. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan. Sri Govinda Gopinath Madana Mohan.